In this video, we are going to be looking at some of the most common Excel exam traps. That way we don't make them when we are actually taking our exam. The first example we're going to be looking at is that using an Excel feature so that you can shade every other row in this table. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to click anywhere on the table, and you're going to go over here to Table Design, and we're going to select banded rows. Now, if you wanted it to be show, it says shade every other column, then you would do banded column. So we're going to do here banded rows to shade every other row in the table. The second task is that swap the data in the pie chart over the axis. And basically what that means is they want us to switch rows and columns on that chart. So we're going to click on the chart, and you're going to go to Chart Design tab, and you're going to click Switch Row Columns. And there you have that. For the next task, it says move the cells C23 to C31 up by deleting cells C22 and B22. So we're going to select those two cells, and we're going to right click and click delete, and we're going to click shift cells up and click OK. And so that's going to move all of the cells up. It looks right. And for the next task, it says enter a formula in cell 8 that multiplies the value in Q1 by the Q2 increased named range. Did not use a cell reference in the last part of the formula. We're going to go to cell C8 and click equals and click Q1 value, and then the start key, and you're going to type in Q2 increase. Go. You're going to double click and hit enter, and there you have your formula. And then if we want, we can drag this down and up here, and it's going to autofill everything. As you can see, they all say that we're multiplying by the Q2 increase. For the next task itself, it says in cell I9, use the function that will display popular if the given value and the total column is greater than 12,000. If not, leave the cell blank. We're going to click here, I9, and you can type in equals, double click, and then we want to know if this values here are greater than 12,000. That's our logical test. Then if that's true, we want this cell to display popular. So we're going to type in popular in quotation marks. And then if it's not greater than 12,000, then we want this to be, just leave the cell blank. So we're going to do open quotation marks, close quotation marks, and that's it. And you're going to hit enter. You have that. For the next example, just import the CSV file more cards into Excel worksheet in cell A4. So we're going to click on that cell, and we're going to go to data over here, and we click from text CSV, and it's taking a minute. Okay, and then we're going to go to download and more cards. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to leave this as it is. And here, instead of clicking load, you're going to open this little drop down menu, and we're going to do load to, and you want to insert it into the existing worksheet. So that's what we're going to click. You're going to leave this as it is, and it's already on that cell that we wanted it. So that's great. And we're going to click OK. And there you have your data. For the next example, what you're going to do is modify the formula in the city code column so that the letters appear in uppercase. So here, just want to click here, and we're gonna put the formula outside of the formula that's already there. So what you want to do is equals upper and go, and then it's already there. So we're just gonna close parentheses here, and then this we're gonna leave it as it was already, and you're gonna click enter, and that's gonna change all of your values here to uppercase.